Hey folks, hope everyone's having a great day. It is just past the middle of the month, so you know what that means. Rookie card explosion boxes here. I watched Filmington's video about what was included in this month's box, but I do not remember for the life of me. So we'll start off here. Looks like this 2019 Chrome update, is that a special? Guess that is an extra pack. These are the packs that are included. Looking forward to seeing if I can pull a 90 Leaf, I think Frank Thomas is Series 2. Yeah, Frank Thomas and Larry Walker. Love 90 Leaf. Loved it since I was a kid. I'm going to hold the Topps Chrome update for last. We're going to start off with the 85 Leaf here. And this one, you can get the Clemens. I think you can get the Clemens. Yeah, the Clemens, Puckett, and Dwight Gooden. Leaf was the Canadian version of Donruss. Similar to OPC and Topps, got Hal McRae, Ron Darling, Julio Franco, and Chet Lemon. For Leaf cards, they do have pretty decent corners and centering. I mean, off-centered is sort of the norm, but I've seen some really off-centered Leaf cards in the past. Open up the 90 Leaf Series 2. We're looking for the Frank Thomas and Larry Walker rookies. If I can get this pack open, good Lord. "30 years has really sealed that in. Oral Hershiser, amazing pitcher. Had a great season. I want to say it was 1988. Hal Morris. Dave Justice. Used to be married to Halle Berry. And he was also a pretty good Brave and Yankee. Here we've got 2004 Topps Series 1. This is going to have Yadier Molina and Zach Greinke. All right. Let's see if we can... Oh, we'll pull these apart here. It's going to take me a minute. Got a Roy Halladay, Ty Wigginton, Bob Melvin, Craig Counsell. There's a Roy Halladay, Pedro Martinez strikeout leaders, Kevin Millar, Brad Penny, and John Knott. Oh, we have somebody on the back of Brad Penny too. Jimmy Haynes. Okay, next up is 2013 update. A great product. Tons of great rookies in here. Looking for Christian Yelich, Arenado, Rendon, Garrett Cole, Didi Gregorius. Puig is in here. Ryu has there's Nolan Arenado on the top. All right, started off hot. Jason Bay, David Ortiz mini for the 1971 design. Got a jersey card of J.J. Hardy. Patrick Corbin and Michael Cudyer. Slide that to the back. 2018 Topps Chrome. Tons of good rookies in this one. Francisco Lindor, Max Fried, Carlos Correa, Paul Goldschmidt. 2018 Heritage High Number. This one to me is underrated. I mean, you've got the same rookie class that is in the Topps, well, not Topps Update, but yeah, Topps Update, yeah, so on here. But it just doesn't have the value that the Topps flagship has. Bartolo Colon, there's a Ronald Acuna Rookie Performers. Joe Kelly and Robert Gelman. Got Heritage Minor League. Get some good autographs in here. Congratulations, you've received a chance to make your pro debut with the Richmond Flying Squirrels. Bo Bichette. And Evan Steele. Bowman's Best. I think you have like a 1 in 3 chance of getting an autograph in this one. Might be wrong. But this is 18 or 19? 2019 Bowman's Best. Got a Corbin Carroll. Good one. Ronald Acuna. Good. Judge. J.J. Bleday. Franchise favorites. And Keston Hiura rookie. I'm gonna put the Keston Hiura in the good stack, even though these are all pretty good cards. 2019 Topps Series 2. Reese the Bader McGuire. Not going to flip them. All right. And Don Luke Voigt got 2019 Topps Update. Nate Lowe, or Lau, I'm not sure if he pronounces his name the way Lau does or not. Brandon Lau. Justice Sheffield Gold, rookie gold, so I'll put that over the good stack. He might still produce. There's a Michael Chavis rookie debut. Then we got 2020 Topps Series 1, the flavor of the month, at least until Heritage comes out next week. Jesus Aguilar, Jorge Alfaro. Is that a? That is not. Okay. Rendon, Mitch Haniger, Juan Soto, World Series card, Luis Aparicio, Franmil Reyes, and David Dahl. We're going to end it with this 2019 Chrome Update Pack. Got Brian Reynolds for the Pirates. Nice Cavan Biggio rookie. Vlad Guerrero debut, and a Ted Williams. Can't go wrong with Ted. You know what, I'm going to take out Brian Reynolds too. I can't remember if it's him. I do think it's him, yeah. I'll take him out, put him in the potential good stack. So I'm going to do a little recap here, starting from last to first. Brian Reynolds, got the rookie debut Vlad. Cavan Biggio rookie. Justice Sheffield Gold rookie. Little wide on the upper edge, but that's common with Topps products. Keston Hiura, Bowman's Best rookie. Bo Bichette Minor League. Ronald Acuna Heritage Rookie Performers. A jersey swatch of J.J. Hardy out of 2013 Update. And the nice card, the win for the box. This nice Nolan Arenado, which right off the bat looks like it could be a 10. So, very nice. I'll look that over a little better later. A very nice box, probably the best box I've gotten. I think I've gotten an autograph in a previous box, but there you go, folks. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you soon. Bye.